We'll guide you through how to download and install TikTok. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. I'm going to try and keep this guide broad so you can follow it on other types of devices as well, for example an Android. TikTok is a really great app. It's really entertaining, but it can also be educational as well. It's primarily made up of videos, but there are also posts on there as well. So to go and get started in getting this, you need to go and open up your phone store. On an iPhone, it's called the App Store. On an Android, it's called the Play Store. We need to go and find TikTok. So on an iPhone, you click on search in the bottom right. What you can do is click on search at the top and then go and type in TikTok like so. Go and find it. Now I've got a cloud to the right, but if you yet to go and have it, it's going to go and say get. So click on the get button. After it's finished, it'll go and say open. And what you can do is go and click on it. To go and use TikTok, you will need to go and have an account. So if you already have one, you can go and log in, or you can log in with a social media. Alternatively, click on sign up at the bottom and you can sign up for an account. After you've signed up or logged in, you can go and choose your interests. I'll just go and skip that and we can go and get started. It's that simple. You can start watching content and also posting your own. If you found this useful, then leave a like.